turn.
Get your base. Not too much right now. Just get your base. Armbar, armbar, armbar. Get your hooks in, Timmy. Get your hooks in.
There you go. Knee to stomach.
Nice, Tim. Nice. Put your right foot on his thigh. Put your right foot on his thigh, Timmy.
Again, last call, ring 9, white belt heavyweights. Last call, ring 9, white belt heavyweights. Last call, white belt heavyweights, ring 9.
Nice, Timmy, good. Knee on stomach, Timmy, knee on stomach, knee on stomach.
Last call, men's, Norgay Masters, intermediate lightweight. Last call, men's, Norgay intermediate Masters, lightweight.
Good hustle, Tim, good hustle.
Scott Hallenstapler. Scott Hallenstapler. Ring 12, Scott Hallenstapler.
Timmy.
Ring 12.
Timmy, elbows in tight, kill a leg, push one leg to the ground. Pull his head down, White. Pull his head down. Good, Tim. Yes. Come around his head, Tim. Come around his head.
There you go. There you go. There it is.
Guard,
Pull him, pull him.
X guard. Yes, Timmy. Good. Relax. Relax. One hook at a time, Tim. One hook at a time. Right hand push. Oh. Shoulder pressure. Shoulder on his chin. Hard pressure. Yes. Shake your leg. Shake your right leg. Shake it. Timmy.
Very similar to Factory 11.
There you go. It's coming out now. Good. Keep shaking it. Keep shaking your leg. Got a good idea. Pushes right. Hey, pushes. Good.
We need the flyweight blue belts. Flyweight blue belts to ring 2. Flyweight blue belts to ring 2.
Don't jump guard, guys. Don't jump guard. Make sure you have it tight.
Get to your knees, EJ. Get to your knees. Get to your knees.